Hi, good day. Thank you for joining us. In this video, we're going to share with you our media library feature. After you've logged into your FreshLearn account, kindly click on Products and then scroll down to Media Library. This is where you can upload all of the videos that you need to set up all of your courses and digital products. As you see here, on the top right-hand side, you have the button to upload. You select the video and upload. On each video, you'll have the options by just clicking on the video's name to set up a preview, edit the name of the video, set a thumbnail, upload your captions, and also you'll see that you're able to copy the iframe code to embed your video on your own sales page or any third-party platform. If you have any additional questions or concerns, kindly reach out. It'll be our pleasure. Thank you and have a great one.